Sometimes the best thing that you can do, even for your little seedlings, is show a little tough love. My passion for gardening started when I was 8. I was playing outside and I accidentally snapped a branch off my parents' favorite shrub. I panicked and jammed the broken limb back into the ground, hoping no one would notice. A few weeks later, the branch had taken root, and so had a love of growing plants. It all starts with a seed. I'm Joe Lample, and this is Master Seed Starting. More and more people are gardening than ever before, but there's even a deeper connection to the plants that you grow when you start them from seeds. Seed starting comes with a whole host of challenges all its own. I'll help you strip away the mystery of seed starting and get you well on your way to growing the best plants that your garden has ever seen. As a gardener, one of the most exciting times of the year is when you finally get to plant outside after that frost-free date is clear and it's now nice and warm. And it's especially exciting if you've been starting seeds indoors and you've been living with those plants for 8 to 10 weeks under artificial light and you were so ready to get your babies outside and into the ground. From selecting the perfect soil, to using germination mats and grow lights, to finding that sweet spot with your watering, to caring for your seedlings, and getting them prepped for planting in your garden beds. I'll be your personal guide on every step of the journey. I'll help you take the guesswork out of seed starting by not just teaching you the how-to, but the why-do behind it. And that will make you a better, smarter, more confident gardener. I'm Joe Lample, and this is the Online Gardening Academy Master Seed Starting.